Tired of stress, pain, and guesswork with your health? These 5 tech gadgets are total game changers. Let's count them down. First 5. The PULSETto. Activate your body's natural relaxation response in just 4 minutes. No pills, just pure calm. Number 4. The DERILA ERGO pillow. Its ergonomic design aligns your neck and spine for ultimate comfort and pain-free sleep. Number 3. Back Restore. Decompress your spine and melt away back pain in just 10 minutes a day, right at home. Number 2. The Hertz P1 Smart Ring. An elegant 24/7 health monitor that tracks your heart rate, sleep, stress, and more with a 7-day battery. Number 1. The aptofit Track Pro. The ultimate fitness companion with real-time workout analysis, GPS, and advanced body metrics. Ready to upgrade your health? Click the link in the description to find out more about these incredible products.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed by stress and anxiety? What if you could find calm in just 4 minutes? Meet PULSETto, the doctor-recommended vagus nerve stimulator that naturally calms your body and mind. Its clinically proven technology uses gentle vibrations, controlled by a simple app, to reset your nervous system. Choose the Lite model, or upgrade to Phi-T for extra features and longer battery life. Right now, get up to $350 off for Memorial Day. With over 100,000 happy customers and a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Don't wait. Click the official link in the description to get your PULSETto at this exclusive discount.
Tired of waking up with a stiff sore neck, tossing and turning all night? Meet DERILA, the pillow designed to give you the deepest, most comfortable sleep of your life. Its revolutionary ergonomic design perfectly cradles your head and neck, aligning your spine for ultimate comfort. And the breathable, cooling fabric keeps you at the perfect temperature all night long. No more flipping. The high-density memory foam responds to your body, providing customized support that feels like it was made just for you. Stop suffering and start sleeping like royalty. Right now, you can get yours at an exclusive discount. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to get your DERILA pillow today and wake up refreshed tomorrow.
Tired of back pain draining your wallet? Stop paying a fortune for relief you can get at home. Meet the Back Restore, the doctor-recommended solution for spinal decompression in just 15 minutes a day.
This device gives me that exact same decompression I was paying $145 a session for. It's the smartest investment I've made.
The heat and vibration mode completely relaxes my muscles. I'm finally sleeping through the night without tossing and turning.
Join over 27,000 happy customers. Order now with up to 75% off free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Click the link below.
Tired of guessing how you slept or how stressed you really are? What if you could track your health with just a glance? Meet the Hertz P1 Smart Ring, the ultimate health companion you can wear anywhere, tracking everything from your heart rate to your sleep quality. Get life-changing sleep insights to feel refreshed, and accurately track every step, calorie, and workout to reach your fitness goals. Manage stress and find your calm moments. Plus, with 24/7 heart monitoring, you can stay proactive about your health. Ladies, track your menstrual cycles with ease for better health management. It's all in one beautiful, easy-to-use app. With a 6-day battery life, it's waterproof and compatible with both iOS and Android. All this without any monthly subscriptions. Right now, you can get the Hertz P1 Smart Ring for up to 69% off. But you have to act fast. Stock is running low. Click the official link in the description to order yours today.
Tired of painful finger pricks and bulky monitors to track your health? Meet the aptofit Track Pro, the all-in-one smartwatch that changes everything. Get accurate blood sugar readings instantly, without a single drop of blood. Plus, monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, and get detailed sleep analysis. It's water-resistant, tracks all your activities, and has a 15-day battery life. Join over 9,000 satisfied customers and see why it's featured everywhere. For a limited time, get 50% off your order with fast shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait! Click the official link in the description to order your aptofit Track Pro now.